Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a review today on the Zenpa snoring device, guys, and it looks like this. Looks like this, guys. They come in a container like this, and it looks like this. It's a mouthpiece. You take it out and you put it in hot boiling water so you can mold it to your teeth. See, like I did, molded it to my teeth. Okay, and it tells you the direction. It gives you the directions. The pamphlet right here, guys. The guide. It gives you the guide as well, step by step, how to show you how to get started, how to keep it clean, and how to prepare it to make the mold for your teeth so you can have a good fit. Okay guys, so far I've been using it for like 3 nights, and it do keeps you from snoring, you know, like if you snore loud or anything like that, it do keep you from doing that and whatnot. So I believe this is a good device. It's $100 device now, guys. The Zenpa is $100. Okay, so it comes with this. It comes with the pamphlet. Everything you need to know is right up in here. The packaging is good. Everything is good. So, like I said, it works out for me. This is how you wear it. You take it out the case, and each time you want to make sure you clean it. And it goes like this. Close the mouth. Okay. And each time you just wash it off with hot water. Place it back in your case. And if like on the molding part, when it gives you the directions on how to mold it, ladies and gentlemen, you can mold it about 3 times before you get it right. But like I said, they got the pamphlet right here that shows you step by step how to do it. So I'll be leaving the link in my description. So make sure you guys check it out if this is something you're interested in. Give it a try, guys. I recommend it. It'll help save your partner's ears in sleep. With that being said, you know, so you just give you step-by-step directions. You even have some cleaning stuff you can order as well. So I think I've covered everything, guys. Like I said, it's called the Zenpa. This is a snoring device, so you can have a priceless sleep. Okay, you get 5. They got 5 stars, so got to be a good product. Once again, this is the Zenpa snoring device, ladies and gentlemen. If you like what you see, check out the link in my description and go check it out and purchase you one and test it out for yourself. Alright guys, I just wanted to come on and do a quick video. With that being said, guys, make sure you check out all the links in my description. Alright, smash the links in my description. Smash my membership button in my description. Smash my merch in my description. With that being said, guys, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you and I thank you for stopping by. Check out the links. With that being said, about to close out the video. Bye guys. See you in the next video.